Repellent Patio Shield. This compact device creates a 15-foot mosquito protection zone that really works. Heat activates the scent-free repellent in the mat. As it disperses, it drives away mosquitoes so you can stop them before they bite. Plus, it comes in fun colors that I love. To get started, simply insert the blue repellent mat under the grill. Remove the fuel cartridge cap and screw it onto the bottom port until it is snug. Rotate the base to on, then click to start. Check the view window for an orange glow and place it in the center of your area. You'll have maximum protection in 15 minutes. Don't forget to turn it off when you're done. If you do notice mosquitoes, follow these tips. Replace the mat after 4 hours when it is very white. Check to make sure there's still fuel left. If the flame goes out with wind, click to restart.
Alright guys, so check out these rechargeable battery packs for your Xbox One controller. So as you can see, you have 2 separate battery packs. Each one is 2600 milliamps and they take about 2.5 hours to fully charge. On a full charge, you can expect about 28 hours of playing time, so really good battery life. One of the features that I really like about this setup is that it has multiple ways for you to charge. So you have a Type-C input as well as a micro USB input. So you've got those 2 options there, but you also have a USB-A cord built into the charging case. So all you have to do is remove this like so, and then you can plug this into whatever device you would like to go ahead and charge it up. And then you have 2 separate indicators to let you know the charging status for each battery. So you can see once we go ahead and plug it in, both lights are red, which means that neither battery is done charging. Once they're done charging, the lights will go ahead and turn green. So if you're looking for a long-term solution for batteries for your Xbox One controllers, these would be an excellent option.
When you're working out, pushing your body to the limit, and striving to beat your personal best, you need to make sure your joints are protected. Modville is a one-of-a-kind 2-pack knee compression sleeve that enables optimal patella tracking, improved blood flow, and maximum comfort while you train. Modville is also designed to help speed up the healing process should you be suffering from any muscular or knee joint injuries. Our unisex medical-grade knee sleeve stabilizers are made up using non-slip technology and undergo strict quality control testing. This is to ensure that Modville stays secure when you train while buffering your knee from pain.